today we still have to talk about the pardon for convicts, including Thaksin perhaps, and also the question of amnesty.
Yes,
because there is a difference between pardon in Thai is apayatod and amnesty, which is niratosakam.
right. The time has come for us to differentiate between the two words.
Yes.
There are people calling for us to differentiate these two words, and today we will.
So what is the main difference between amnesty and pardon in this case?
Basically, with the conviction, like Kun Thaksin case on Rachada Pisek land controversy, conviction has been issued by the court. So in this case, we have to use the word pardon.
Yeah.
And amnesty doesn't mean that you have to be convicted. You may be facing trial, or you may be facing charges, or maybe you even have been convicted, but the amnesty can be applied in that sense.
Which means that in Thaksin's case, the pardon is applicable to only the case.
Rachada Pisek land case only.
And what about the 4 or 5 other cases pending?
That's the main thing that we should be discussing today. If Kun Thaksin is allowed to come back under this so-called pardon, he will still have to face at least 4 more cases. And these cases, including the Exim Bank, the telecom conversion, and the lottery, special lottery that his government introduced. So these cases have formed the basis of the Supreme Court ruling seizing the money for the 6 billion baht. So he will still have to face these 4 cases.
Yes.
He has to be on trial.
Yep.
Unless he is granted amnesty in the future.
So if pardon is granted this time, amnesty will follow.
He still need amnesty to walk completely free. He still need another law to walk completely free.
But the legal process between a pardon and amnesty would be different too?
Right. A pardon, we understand that the government initially want to issue an amnesty for Kun Thaksin for every case involving Kun Thaksin through a legal amnesty.
Why didn't they do
issued through Parliament? But we understand that because of the flood crisis that prevented the government from taking this, going down that road.
Yep.
So and also next month, December the 12th, there will be a wedding celebration of Kun Thaksin's daughter.
Yeah.
And he maybe want to come back.
He has said he would like to come back.
Right. So, and as Parliament will be ending the current session on November 28th, there's no time to enact a law on amnesty to grant.
Because the law has to go through 3 readings, debate,
So the shortcut is the pardon decree, as we are discussing about. But that will lead to another problem in the future, because he still needs some amnesty to be completely free.
So the pardon issue itself is not very clear yet whether it's going to get through because of the opposition, because of the political implications.
As we are speaking now, the multicolored people are gathering, and on Monday, we'll come back to PAD. They have said that they will hold protests.
The yellow shirts are back.
The yellow shirts are back, and the senators will be gathering signatures to oppose this plan, and also a House committee on protection of the monarchy is also planning to summon Kun Yingluck to testify also.
So a lot of activities against the pardon are taking place, while the government still remains very suspiciously quiet, because they still say we cannot disclose any detail of the draft because it's confidential. So the debate going on now is based on stories published by newspapers that got sources from within the cabinet. Nobody knows exactly whether all the details being published are the real details, or whether they will be changed, amended afterwards. It's very, very strange and bizarre, but most of the stories so far have proved to be correct. So we will have to pursue the story and see how the Yingluck government, without the Prime Minister chairing the meeting that approved the decree draft, how this is going to continue to its logical conclusion. Maybe it will be withdrawn, or perhaps it would be pursued in a different way. We don't know. I think they are trying to test the waters and see how the next step should be. Very interesting indeed.